Hello, this is Sarita, and I'm here to help you understand the truth about who you are. So I just wanted to make a quick video for you today with some practical help within it, because I can see that many people are really struggling now, because it's as if we have nothing left to cling to. And what I mean by that is that I see lots of people are really exhausted now. They are despairing, anxious, depressed. The fabric of their reality, the structures and energetic architectures and systems and ways of being that we have all got used to clinging onto, to holding onto, which used to make us feel safe, secure, and which we identified ourselves with, are literally crumbling to dust right now. And it's very overwhelming, it's very challenging, and it's very frightening. You know, we keep clinging to things, hoping that that's going to be our way out, and then that thing that we're clinging to falls away before our very eyes. And it's really becoming obvious now. There is no logic to anything, nothing makes sense, and everything keeps changing. So the goalposts of everything keep changing. No matter, as soon as if you like, clung on to something, another level of reality or another way of being, it crumbles before you. And in fact, there is a reason for this, and a reason why it's so challenging, and a reason why everything is crumbling away before our eyes. And that is because this is ascension. Ascension is all about remembering who we are as sovereign beings, and that we cannot find stability or safety or truth from anything outside of ourselves, because in fact it's all an illusion. We are creating our external holographic reality from everything we think and feel from within us. So as we grapple and grasp to hold on to things to make us feel better, they are going to crumble away, because the only way to ascend in our consciousness is to let go of everything in our external reality. And at the moment we're being forced to, if you like, and turn our attention within and hold on to the only truth that we have, our own essence, our each individual expression of who we are, because sovereignty is the way through. We are ascending into a dimension that is rooted in unity consciousness. It's rooted in sovereignty. So we can no longer fragment ourselves by clinging to things outside of ourselves. We will not be able to ascend that way. We have to cling, if you like, to our inner being, hold on to our internal knowingness, our essence, our truth of who we are as sovereign, divine, eternal beings. And as you hold on or anchor into yourself, letting go of all of those things which you can't hold on to because they have no anchor, because it's all an illusion. As you hold on and anchor into yourself, what you're really doing is you are anchoring into the light. And I mean this in a really practical way, because the thing is that you are embodied source consciousness. You are made of, literally, you're made of light. So as you turn your attention in and you anchor into yourself, what you're doing is you're anchoring into light. And what is light? Okay, light is source consciousness. Source consciousness contains all of the information and codes of the all that is, of every expression within the cosmos. And with that, it contains all of the deep wisdom and knowing of the all that is. So as you anchor into the light of who you are, knowing that every cell in your body is made of light, you are an incarnation of light. What happens is you come into truth and you begin to perceive the bigger picture, the all that is. So rather having your perception from this grappling, illusionary state of separation, which is never going to activate your ascension, you anchor into light, which gives you this wider truth about who you are, why you're here, and where you're going. And when you anchor into that wider truth of source consciousness, you, if you like, let go of the need of safety, and you can live much more in the present moment, holding that light within you, knowing that you are the light. And so all of those denser frequencies of anxiety, depression, stress, loneliness, exhaustion, they dissipate when you hold on to the light. It's such a simple exercise. I'm about to share this exercise with you, and it brings you to your true essence, and it just, as light does, lifts you. It lifts your vibration, it lifts your emotions, and it makes things clearer for you. It illuminates where you are. And so as you step into that illumination, the light always illuminates the dark. And so you illuminate those denser frequencies, which are the painful emotions. They're the fear of what might happen to you. So that's why we need to anchor in and hold on to the light, knowing that that is who you are. That is our way to ascend. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share a really sweet, easy, quick, practical exercise with you, which is going to allow you to see and feel, hold on to the light within you, and then come out feeling clearer, better, and more illuminated. So really simply, what I'm going to get you to do is just wherever you are, standing, sitting, whatever you're doing, well, not driving, close your eyes, okay? So just close your eyes and feel that immediate, empowering relief as you close your eyes to the exterior world, that illusionary world, which is, to all intents and purposes, making us feel stressed, okay? So you close your eyes. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring your awareness to your breath. Very simple. You're going to follow the breath as you breathe in through your nose, and the breath goes through your nose and down into your body, and you're following that breath into your body. So what you're doing is your focus upon the breath is allowing you to go deeper inside yourself. Follow the in-breath down into your own being. And feel how calming this already is. And the reason it's calming is because you are turning inwards, which is your truth. Truth will always make you feel calmer and better. And now, what you're going to do is you're just going to spend a few moments just witnessing how you are. So you're just going to notice how you feel in this moment. How are you feeling? You're not judging it. You're not trying to fix it. You're just noticing how you are. Feel how your body and your being is today. And you're allowing yourself to witness any stress that you are holding within you. Feeling how your energy is today. And what I want you to do now is I want you to find anywhere within your body, within your being, one tiny spark of light. It might be in a cell, or in an energy center, or in an organ. Find within you one spark of light and focus all of your attention upon it. And as you focus your attention on this tiny spark of light, you are giving permission for other little sparks of light within your being within your body to reveal themselves to you. So as you focus upon this light, notice that there are other little sparks of light appearing within your body. And as you focus on these sparks of light, you see that they are multiplying, and more sparks of light are revealing themselves to you. Because what you focus on, you bring into being. And so now you see that there are little sparks of light all over your body multiplying. And as you gaze and bring your attention to them, you see that there are now hundreds of sparks of light within you. Now thousands of sparks of light within you. And now millions and trillions and infinite light is sparkling within you. And really feel and see this light that fills your body. And as you focus upon it, feel that it is becoming brighter and brighter and lighter until you are lit up from the inside out. See that your whole body is made of light, and it is illuminating every darkness within you. Every dense frequency has little sparks of light within it. And feel all of your energy just becoming lighter and lighter and clearer and clearer. And feel that the light within you is shining so brightly now that it begins to extend beyond you, that you're becoming radiant. And feel that radiance in your brain, in your heart, and in every cell of your body. And just know, as you allow your true radiance to shine from within you, that at any time you are feeling dense or dark or overwhelmed, you can turn your attention inwards and find a tiny spark of light and shine your attention upon it, and it will multiply and multiply, showing you your true essence, making everything clearer and lighting up the way for you once again. And so now just open your eyes and feel how illuminated you are, and how simple and easy that is. And it's simple and easy because it's the truth of who you are. When you are suffering, it is a signpost that you are moving away from your truth. So do this exercise as much as you can whenever you need it. It's so simple, so effective. And remember, you are the light and you are the way. No one is going to do this for you. You are perfectly capable of doing this yourself. You are a sovereign being. You are the creator of your own reality and your own life. Thank you very much for listening.